Hey everyone, it's October 31st, 2025. We are in no, we're not in Alabaster.
We're in Romanos.
Romanos. Alabaster is where I wanted to go.
Yeah.
But it was all booked up.
Yeah.
So we're sitting here enjoying the fire, and
it's going to be a quiet evening because there's no cell service.
Yeah.
So, which is awesome. This is going to be nice.
Yeah. Yeah.
Really nice.
And I think we're just here to relax and go for the hike.
Yeah.
And that's it, because the lake is dry.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting that. I mean, I knew it
Well,
was
it's been dry for a few years.
But I didn't expect it to be like dry.
Yeah, the one behind us had water in it last year, but
it's gone.
Yeah, it's all gone. So, all right, we're gonna enjoy this fire. We'll talk with you guys tomorrow. Camera. Okay, give the update. Morning. You'll believe it's November. It's freaking crazy.
Now she finds the camera.
Where you going? Well, anyway, we had a great night with the campfire. It was nice and calm, and that was a first for us for a while. Yeah, usually it's too windy.
Or fire ban,
or fire band. So I am going to get up and make some coffee, and then I think we're going to find some stuff to do around here while Kathy prepares a lasagna.
Yeah, I've never made it before, so here goes. It'll be fine.
Then we're going to go see about the hike after that.
Oh.
So that's the plan. And see what this little turd does. So, let me get some coffee.
Super cheesy.
That was super cheesy. This looks like it's going to work out better than our pizza did.
Yeah, cheese and sauce. Yay.
She said there was hamburger in there.
Only a pound. Should have gotten 2 pounds. It's more like vegetarian lasagna at this point. Oh, is it terrible? I think you'll be okay. And I don't think we're gonna need more cheese.
No.
What? Way too much cheese.
Headed to Inspiration Point. Our campsite's right over there. My crazy dog is behind me. She doesn't know how to go slow. We've made it to Inspiration Point. We are currently trying to get inspired.
The dog finally laid down.
Finally. So,
And that lasted all of a second.
Kathy, what are you trying to get inspired to do?
Oh, I don't know. You put me on the spot, I don't know.
Yes, she doesn't like being put on the spot.
I don't.
But why did we bring these bags?
We didn't need to bring the bag. We're training.
We are training. What are we training for?
Guadalupe Peak.
Yes, we're going to try to do Guadalupe Peak at the end of this year, depending on the weather.
Yeah.
Well, depending on the wind, because we don't want blown off that sucker.
Yeah.
And then hopefully next year we can start doing some high peaks in New Mexico and Colorado.
That's the plan.
That's our inspiration. That's why we're at Inspiration Point right now. What are you digging?
Amber, it's rock. You got mud all over your nose.
Is it mud? Poop.
Probably both. I'm gonna get licked on it. Ugh.
So, all right, we're gonna sit here and continue to be inspired and get licked on. Oh, hey, update the camera.
Tell them I am.
No.
Now, but I am using my bag for sunshade. That's working pretty good. Ah! Stop kissing.
So, okay, we'll see you back at the bottom. Jeez, these raccoons must have had a party last night. Got trash all up and down this trail. Well, I noticed our new favorite YouTubers, Cody and Kelly, they kind of have that problem with their campsites. I think they're, I don't think they're raccoons though. I think they're just immature people leaving their trash behind. But out here on the walking trails, I'm sure that it's raccoons. So when you see it, just go ahead and pick it up. I know it's a dirty job, but there's not going to be very many people out here picking up trash. So I need to catch up with Kathy. She's leaving me. Okay, we just got back from a small little 4-mile hike. We got the comfy shoes on. Don't make fun of those toe socks. Don't knock them until you try them. Wife's got some weird ginger beer.
It's just ginger ale, but it's a beer. It's got more ginger than the other ginger ale flavored stuff, so I like this better.
The dog's being herself. I've got another little bag of M&Ms to split with the wife, and we're gonna relax before I cook dinner.
Yay, and he's cooking.
Yay.
Yay!
So, all right, here's cooking with Jim. I don't know what this is. That sleeping woman over there loves this. It's a smoked sausage. Usually bell peppers, but she said all the bell peppers at Walmart were rotten. So we got a green bell pepper, and then these beautiful, sweet little peppers, and an onion. So here we go. I'm going to, since I'm limited on space, go ahead and use my cast iron as a bowl. You're not going to see me wash these veggies, and I'm going to wash them real quick, cut them up, throw them in here, cook them up, and we'll show you what the end result looks like. What would you call this?
Sausage and peppers.
So we're eating sausage and peppers.
Onion.
Oh, and onion. I don't know what we would call this.
I don't know. It's
Camp
just-
food.
It's easy. It's quick. It's
We
nice.
found, we found it on Pinterest.
Yeah.
We cooked it in tinfoil
Mm-hmm.
on
the
campfire.
fire.
Yeah. Now since we have the camper and spoiled and it's windy outside, use
Yeah.
cast iron. That she was sleepy.
I was sleepy.
Well, that's it for this week in Romanos. We didn't do much, just a small little hike. Found out that I didn't want to wear those boots on my next hike. Found out she made some decent lasagna.
Yeah.
And then,
Wife can cook.
and then whatever the heck I just made was pretty good. So
No, that was good too. No. Yeah, I think it was just more of a getaway weekend, and just because life happens and we work all the time, and weekends are the only time we can get away, and this is in our area, and this is what we can do. So
yeah,
this is what we did.
exactly. So until the next one, you guys keep exploring.